we're going to be making lentil moussaka with creamy cashew cheese sauce.
And we're going to pimp it with Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise. In with the onions. We're just going to cook the corn flour out and that will thicken up nicely. So we're taking that off the heat and in with the Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise. We've got an amazing lentil bolognese mix here, which is delicious and rich. Now we're going to go on with our cashew cheese sauce.
And Hellmann's vegan mayonnaise has added a really creaminess to the texture. We are adding a topping of panko breadcrumbs, vegan mozzarella and paprika.